Welcome. This is installation procedure. First, when you receive the machine will be very close to each other. All the heads are brought each other for transportation purpose. Now, the first thing is you have to unscrew the bolts, slide bolts. These are 3 slide bolts. Make it little loose. As well, this side we call it as a flap wheel side, and this side we call it a control wheel side. This is a rubber wheel. Now on this side we have 3 bolts. These are to be loosened, and please do not unscrew these 2 small bolts as they are locking for the gib which is inside. Now once you unscrew these bolts, you will have to rotate the handle in this direction, and you can notice that the rubber wheel is coming back. Now make it back. Afterwards, you can rotate the bigger handle which is on the bottom side, and you can take the head backwards. This is the first procedure when you get a machine. Secondly, we have to first unscrew these nuts, take the thing out, cover out, and here you have to put 3-phase connection. The red wire has to be fitted here, blue here, and yellow here. And when you start the machine, you have to check the direction for the rubber wheel. The rubber wheel, always remember, the abrasive wheel should rotate in downwards direction, in this direction, and even the flap wheel, there is always a arrow, so you have to follow this arrow, and the wheel should rotate downwards and the rubber wheel rotate upwards. In case you find the wheel is rotating upwards, then you can change 1 phase wire and you see the direction is correct. This is a procedure for first procedure. After now, the second procedure will come is we will have the conveyor setting. To do the conveyor setting, the process is these are levers provided for conveyor setting on both the sides of the machine. Now this boy will tie a rope and we will do the conveyor setting. We have to tie a thread keeping the hole in the center here. This hole is exactly 110 millimeters from the bottom. The height of the thread is 110 millimeters. See, you can see here the height is exactly 110 centimeters. Now once we tie the thread, after the thread is being tied, now what we have to do is you have to remember there is one noting written here that for doing the conveyor setting, all the rollers on the flap wheel side should be straight, and on the control wheel side it should be in helix angle. This means this is our helix angle side. This is a control wheel, and in this control wheel side all these rollers have to be put on helix angle, and all these rollers on flap wheel side have to be straight. So now my person will show you. Now you have to also check the dimension for the thread. So he's maintaining 75 mm from the left hand side. The reason is because the center plate is also 75 mm from left side. Now they will do the conveyor setting very quickly. It's very easy to install a machine. Now he is fixing the roller near to thread and he is tightening the bolt. This roller is in helix angle. Helix angle means he is providing a small degree, and the degree means he has to rotate the thing like this. You can very well see my hand. This is called helix angle. So we have to put it little in a helix angle here, and he will tighten the roller. All first on the left hand side. Now we have to tighten in such a way that you can see here the roller is touching the thread, but there should not be any disturbance on the thread. So he will set all the rollers on the left hand side. But this is our last roller, and we have fixed all the rollers on the left hand side. After this, we will fix all the rollers on the right hand side. So they are bringing this, and this roller should be straight. All the rollers on this machine on the flap wheel side should be straight. There should not be any helix angle. So they will fix all the rollers. Now once all the rollers are set, we have to center plate नीचे रख के फिर ऊपर ले लेंगे. Now he will bring the center plate, ले लो ऊपर, and he will touch it to the thread, parallel to the thread, and then he will tighten the screw, tighten the bolt. आप कर दो इसको tighten. हाँ किसको? हाँ ठीक है. Okay. Now we will remove the thread as our conveyor setting is over. Now very important, since we have loosened the nuts, we will again tighten the nut for the slides so that it should not be loose, or when we do buffing this will create big problem. As well, we have to tighten the bolts on the flap wheel side which were loosened earlier. After this process, now we shall come and we shall set the center plate with respect to the pipe. Now the person has put a pipe, and you can see here that the center plate is down. So this center plate he will adjust as per the height of, he will touch it to the tube, and he will tighten the nut and bolts. नीचे उसके bolt tight कर. He will tighten the bolts. Now almost our process is set. The machine is ready to be started. Only thing is we have to ensure that the direction of the flap wheel and the direction of the rubber wheel should be correct. The directions are shown and the markings are provided on the rubber wheel side as well as on the flap wheel side. See, this is a control wheel and the direction is upwards here. So the control wheel should move upwards, and the belt direction is shown downwards. So the belt should rotate downwards, and similarly the flap wheel also will rotate downwards. Now the next process is by removing this control wheel handle, the person will touch the pipe so that this is exactly, the rubber roller should touch the pipe very accurately. Suppose in case it is tapered and rubber roller is touching only on one side and there is gap on the another side, then you can loosen this bottom screws, bottom 4 bolts which are provided on the bottom here. This four bolts, this 2 on this side and 2 on the other side, and you can adjust the rubber wheel in such a way that it will touch the steel pipe very accurately. There should not be any taper on the pipe. After this, now we shall start the process of polishing. Start करना भी. हाँ, yeah. First, the very important part here is we have to provide a helix angle. इसको ढीला करना है जरा. हाँ, helix angle. Here you can see. हाँ, if we rotate the helix upwards, the speed is increased. For increasing the speed and the feed, we have to increase helix. So helix, you can also read here. If you move this head upwards, the speed increases, and you can also see that there is a float in the head. This is a spring loading float. This is because in case the pipe is bent, the spring loading can adjust very accurately and the pipe will not exert any pressure on the rubber roller. Now after this, he is locking this nut, and we will start the machine now. Okay, start. We'll start the machine now, and we have started the machine. Slowly, we will rotate the lever from the bottom, and we'll try to bring this wheel as close as possible. Here, ले लो पास में, ले लो. Now he's bringing the wheel very close. है अभी बहुत डिस्टेंस ले लो, आपको प्रॉब्लम. Here. Now we have stopped the machine just to show that in case we want to increase the speed, the polishing, the feed and the speed, we can increase the helix angle. इसका helix angle बढ़ाना जरा. Increase the helix angle, and we will definitely increase the speed. You know now. He's making the nut up. We are taking the bolt up. That's it. Bus. And he will tighten again the back portion fully tight. Now you will notice that after we start the machine, इसको थोड़ा दोबारा से पीछे लेके start कर लो. Start करो. पीछे. हाँ. उसको पीछे लो. नहीं ठीक है. हाँ बस ठीक है. बस चालू करो. लो. Now we have increased the helix, and you will notice the spindle will move very fast. Now after this, when this is a emery flap wheel, when you need to change the wheel, you have to open this cover open the cover and you can unloose this nut, remove the flap wheel, and then you can put jute wheel for pre-polishing and cotton wheel along with luster for final mirror finish. So this is installation process, and in case you have any doubt, kindly call me on my mobile number and I will guide you how to solve all